Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See it?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are doing an Amazon review, and this is the best wig I've ever received from an Amazon store. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install.
You finally moved on. Letting go.
Today's hair sponsor is ViviBabi hair. I believe I worked with them once before. This is the Amazon store, so it's an Amazon find. I used to think like Amazon wigs were lower quality, but this is definitely a game changer for me. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 4x6 glueless closure HD wig. This is in the deep wave texture and it comes ready to wear. This is a fresh out of the box install. No bleach knots or anything, you guys. It's giving hair goals. Hey friends, look at me bald-headed and everything. Just let's go along with it. For this wig install, you don't need to have a bald cap on. Actually, I've installed 98% of these types of wigs glueless without any bald cap. As usual, I'm going to try it on for you guys so you can see the lace to see what it's giving, and then we'll decide whether or not we tint. Ooh, this is cute, you guys. Oh my god. Actually, it doesn't even need any lace tint. But because I am so tan, I'm going to maybe tint just a little bit around here, but it looks good. This lace tint, medium brown, what is it? Medium dark brown. I think we need to do an updo. I'm gonna spray some hairspray just along there. I want this hair to kind of lay flat here. And take out some baby hairs.
No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right.
Do it like that.
Didn't even feel it, told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week.
Looking good. Looking good. Wait, I thought we were gonna do an updo, but like, am I changing my mind? Are we doing an updo, guys? Let me know what you guys think. If the updo that I'm about to do looks better or this style, because this is looking very cute.
This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Hello, mister. Let me go. You want up? Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Up. Look at that. Mom's busy. Do we like that mix?
Just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see a healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right. So right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud. Making me proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on.
And it's still glueless. ViviBabi came through to deliver with this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Look at the hairline. I knew I wanted to put this hair up because that pre-plucked hairline is giving hair goals. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Go get you one of these Amazon wigs. Amazon did not come to play with this wig today. Oh my god, you guys. And it's glueless. This is glueless. Wow, fire. I give this Amazon wig a 10 out of 10. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it below in the description box. That is all for today. Those are my final thoughts. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. You know I do giveaways and all that good stuff over here. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.